Clear the runway because a classic, high-flying adventurer is landing in the workshop today. If you love retro cartoon style and clean line art, you are going to love this build. We are remastering a delightful piece of aviation artwork onto a premium wooden coaster. This little pilot comes packed with personality, sporting a vintage leather flight cap, buckled straps, and oversized goggles. For a clean, illustrative piece like this, we want a deep, solid burn on the main outlines while keeping the feather textures light and delicate. Notice how the rich, dark contrast of the leather straps makes the character instantly pop off the clean wood grain canvas. Every single feather line adds a wonderful sense of whimsical texture to the final design. And there he is, our retro aviation duck, fully engraved and ready for takeoff. Don't forget to test your aviation history knowledge with our community quiz. Drop your rating below and subscribe. Work safe.